learning about AI as a freshman is just differentiates you from everyone else. And being able to build off this and extend your knowledge can just be so important for college, just to see that this is something I'm passionate about and it's different from a lot of other students. This is totally new for me. I had little to no coding experience going into this, but they cover it really quickly and efficiently. So I learned all the basics. If you're like looking to differentiate yourself from everyone and just you're interested and passionate about like technology and AI and coding, even if you don't have a lot of coding experience, I promise you, I'm very happy I did it. I was really nervous going into it because I thought I was going to be with a lot of smarter kids that had experience, but I was the youngest in the class and I fit in really well. Like you never feel behind. There's always ways to ask questions and it's very collaborative and hands-on. So if you're kind of a little nervous about coding but you want to like build a foundation, then it's definitely great for you.